Hi, hello. Welcome to Chiguru, the learning route. I am Rashmi here. In my last video, I have explained in exercise 13A, 11th question to 16th question. Right. So in this video, I'm going to explain you from 17th question to 23 question. So don't skip. So let's go for 17th question. 17th question is ab square minus a minus c into b minus c. So in our previous problem, how we solved by multiplying this, the same way we apply here also. Okay, let's check out. ab square minus a minus c into b minus c. So multiply this ab square minus a into b minus c into b minus c. Obviously, for removing this bracket, we have to multiply with outside negative sign. That means ab square minus into plus minus ab minus into minus plus cb. So as usual, c. So now let's go for pairing. After pairing, here which are the common? AB, right? Here only C. Let's check out. Take AB as a common. Here remaining is B minus nothing here left over is, we have to write 1. Then plus, obviously what I told before, C as a common, then remaining is B minus 1. Okay, if nothing is left over, we have to write 1. So both are common, we got it, right? So B minus 1 take as a common factor, then remaining is here AB plus C. So B minus 1 into AB plus C. So these are the factors of AB square minus A minus C into B minus C. So 18th question is A square minus B square into C plus B square minus C square into A. So here in this bracket, we are not finding any common, right? So what we have to do, we'll multiply from the outside variables. So let's come to the question. So first write on the question a square minus b square into c plus b square minus c square into a, right? So multiply a square c minus b square c plus b square a minus c square a. We have multiplied, right? A square c minus b square c plus b square a minus. See, here you will find c square, c and a, and here also c and a, and here bc and here ba. So write down the same thing, a square c minus c square a, second term. So third term is plus b square a, then minus b square c. So as usual, we have to pair and take out ac as a common, and remaining is a minus c plus here b square as a common, then a minus c. So let's go for that. In this a minus c as a common, then take out ac plus b square. So if we take out a minus c as a common, remaining will be ac plus b square. So these are that means a minus c into ac plus b square are the factors of a square minus b square into c plus b square minus c square into a. So this is about 18th question. Let's go for 19th one. So 19th question is a cube minus a square minus ab plus a plus b minus c. So first we can write the question as it is, a cube minus a square minus ab plus a plus b minus 1. So let's go for grouping. Then we'll check out. First we'll go for grouping. Then we'll check out whether is it possible. We will get a common factor, right? Yes. So here which is a common. We'll do one thing. So there are two b's, right? We'll write these two b's one side. Okay, that means a cube minus a square plus a minus 1 minus ab plus b, right? I have altered like this. So a cube minus a square plus a minus 1 minus ab plus b. Right, let's go for the common. Let's check out. So here you will find a square is a common, then remaining is a minus, nothing else means you have to write 1 plus common. You will not find any common, that means you have to take 1 as a common. So 1 as a common, that means remaining is a minus 1. Now here minus, which one will be the common? B. If you taken B as a common, remaining is a plus into minus, sorry, yeah, minus into plus minus, and we are already taken common and remaining is 1. If nothing left over, 1 is a common. So a minus 1, a minus 1, a minus 1. Wow, we got the correct common factor. So we'll go for that. We'll take a common, that is a minus 1. If we have taken a minus 1 as a common, then we'll go for remaining is a square plus 1 minus b. A square plus 1 minus b, or we can write it as a minus 1 into a square minus b plus 1. So these are the factors of a cube minus a square minus ab plus a plus b minus 1. So 20th question is ab into c square plus d square minus a square cd minus b square cd. Okay, so first we'll write down the question as it is: ab into c square plus d square minus a square cd minus b square cd. Okay, so now we'll multiply this. ab into c square plus ab into d square. ab into c square plus ab into d square minus a square cd minus b square cd. So I'm going to alter 1 1 2 2, right? So ABC square minus A square CD, then here first we'll take this one minus B square CD, then plus A B D square. Okay, then group it, so pairing it and take out a common. Here AC is a common, so I have taken AC as a common. Remaining is BC minus AD. BC minus AD. Then as it is minus, we have to write, and here BD are the common. If we take BD as a common, then remaining is BC. Obviously minus into plus minus, BD we have taken a common, then remaining is AD. So wow, right? BC minus AD, we got a both side. So again we have to take a common, that is BC minus AD. So BC minus AD we have taken a common. Then here remaining is AC minus BD. So that means BC minus AD into AC minus BD are the common factors of AB into C square plus D square minus A square CD minus B square CD. Right? So this is the 20th question. 21st question is 2AB square minus ABY plus 2CBY minus CY square. So now we'll write the question as it is: BY plus 2CBY minus CY square. Let's check out directly. We will get a common factor out. AB, right? That means AB is the common, remaining is 2B, remaining is 2 and 1 time B, right? Minus AB is a common, leftover is Y. So plus here CY is the common, that is we have taken CY as a common, remaining is 2B minus CY I have taken a common, remaining is Y. Yes, we got the common factor 2B minus Y, 2B minus Y. So let's take out this common factor, that is 2B minus Y, then remaining is AB plus CY. That means 2B minus Y into AB plus CY are the common factors of 2AB square minus ABY plus 2CBY minus CY square. So let's Yes, listen. 22nd question. Ax plus 2bx plus 3cx minus 3a minus 6b minus 9c. Right. So first we'll write the question as it is. Ax plus 2bx plus 3cx minus 3a minus 6b minus 9c. Okay. See, Ax 3a. If you alter this, 2bx 6b, 3cx 9c. So we'll alter this question. See here, ax minus 3a plus 2bx minus 6b plus 3cx minus 9c. Make it as a alter. That means here a it is there. So nowhere else, and here we find a. So let's have taken a as a common. Have written one side to grouping and to take a common factor easily. Then 2bx 6b and 3cx 9c. See, at least alphabetic letter will be same, right, in all the alteration problems. So let's go for taking a common. So let's check out common factors perfectly, right? Let's go for it. So here in this pair, so a will be a common. If a is a common, remaining is x minus 3. If a is a common, remaining is x minus 3 plus here 2b as a common. If 2b as a common, then x minus 2 3s are 6b. I have already taken a common. Then plus here, so 3c, 3c, that means remaining is x minus 3 3s are 9. C, I have already taken a common, right? So x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3. Yes. So we got x minus 3 as a common. So we'll take out that common, x minus 3. Then in this term remaining is a, and write down plus. In this term remaining is 2b. In this term, before that you write plus. In this term remaining is 3c. That means x minus 3 into a plus 2b plus 3c are the factors of ax plus 2bx plus 3cx minus 3a minus 6b minus 9c. Right. So 23rd question and the last question in this video. So 2ab square c minus 2a plus 3b cube c minus 3b minus 4b square c square plus 4c. So this is the 23rd question, and the first step, what we have to do, we have to write the question as it is. 2ab square c minus 2a plus 3b cube c minus 3b minus 4b square c square plus 4c. See, here you can find 2a in this common, and 3b in this common, and 4c in this common, right? So let's go for it. Don't want to alter this. Okay, first we'll pair it. First we'll pair it a 2a. So if 2a is a common, the remaining is b square c. 2a is a common, remaining is b square c minus 1. So plus 3b here common. If I take 3b as a common, remaining is b square here. Only one b I have taken common, remaining is b square. See, I have taken all 3b, then it is minus 1. Then here minus, write down minus. Here 4c. 4c as a common, right? Take 4c as a common, and remaining is 4 have taken common, b square, and in c square c already common, c. So minus into plus minus, 4c have taken common, remaining is 1. So here b square b square c minus 1, b square c minus 1, b square c minus 1. That means we got all common factors. So first we'll take out the common factors in all the 3 terms. If you have taken b square c minus 1 as a common, then remaining is 2a plus here remaining is 3b minus here remaining is 4c. Right? So that means b square c minus 1 into 2a plus 3b minus 4c are the factors of 2ab square c minus 2a plus 3b cube c minus 3b minus 4b square c square plus 4c. So I have completed what I told you in the earlier of this video. I will complete 11 to 23 questions in this video, and I have completed the 13A exercise. Right. So if you like this video, obviously try to solve other similar problems, and you will find easy that how we have to group and how we have to take a common factor. Okay, so take care, bye bye, and support me as like, subscribe and share this video, and it will be helpful for your friends and whoever having doubt in this common taking a common factors, so it may be helpful to you. Yes, thank you and have a nice day. Bye.